In this tutorial video, we will go over the product pages and how to filter through products and look up pertinent information. To start, scroll over the word Products on the top of the drop-down menu. Here you can choose between the different meter types offered by A.W. Lake, including Flow Electronics. You can also simply click on the word Products to see all the different flow measurement technologies. Once on the product page, you can add filters on the left-hand side of the page, including meter type, applicable industries, fluids, accuracy, EX ratings, and output. Choose your options and hit Apply Filters. Once you pick a meter type, you will be taken to that product's page. If you click on Where to Buy, a new tab will open up to our e-commerce site. Here you can filter down different specifications of that product and place orders. If you go back to the product page, you'll be able to download that product's datasheet or look up other information, like a product description, technical specifications, a section where you can choose your meter, and downloads, including manuals, certifications, application stories, and more. As you scroll down the page further, you can watch a product overview video, along with a few of the application stories associated with that product. Scrolling down past that, you can see examples of real-world applications. Below that, you can see a list of compatible products, including electronics often used with that specific meter type. Further down the page, you'll see a list of PDFs on application stories you can view or download. And last, at the bottom of the page, is a link to contact us directly. Here you will have the option to fill out a request to quote form, an application assistance form, or a general inquiry contact us page. Here at A.W. Lake, we pride ourselves on our expert customer service and can be assured someone will get back to you within one business day.